This is MikeBot. Today I will be doing the final video in my Creality Cloud series. There will be more down the road, but for now this is going to wrap up the 2024 Creality Cloud series. So this one's going to be based on the Designer program. The Creality Cloud Designer program is an incredible option for designers. It gives you the ability to make some money, get some Kuva coins, and be part of the whole partnership program with Creality. There are some really cool, neat features, and I'm going to showcase some of them right now. So I'm going to go ahead and start by showing you some of the current designers that are in this program, and how to apply for it, and how you can make some money using Creality Cloud. So first thing you want to do, you want to go to crealitycloud.com. Once you're there, you want to go up here and click Designers. Then you're going to see this window. So from here, you can browse the different designers that currently exist, and you can apply for the program if you want to, which I will go over shortly. So let's start with looking at Whale 3D Studio. So this one's an official 3D designer. He's been verified by Creality. He's official. He's part of the program. He's got 268 followers, 4,200 likes. And then he's got all his models here. So as you can see, he's selling his models for 400, 300, 250. And these are coins that can be converted into money. So I believe every 100, it says it right there, every 100 is 99 cents US. So there is a good potential to make some extra income here. So this would essentially get him $4 US if somebody was to buy this specific model. He's got a little video on it. He's got some descriptions, details. So if you want to become a designer, make sure you have all your stuff sorted out before you even look into it, because you need to have high quality models, high quality photos, and details. That's the most important thing they look for, is details. So then here's just a few more of their biggest designers. And you can see there's quite a few people. Now here's some new designers that are up and coming that have been recently approved, and then here's a list of all their designers. You can sort them by views, downloads, uploads, followers. So to apply for the program yourself, assuming you are a designer, you need to meet a certain criteria. You need to make sure that everything's original, because they do have copyright protection, so they'll protect your files if they are original. So you need to prove to Creality that they're your original files, update the evidence, how you designed it, all sorts of things like that. So some of the benefits: you get commission, you get your copyright protection, you get promotions, you get your analytics, discounts, you can customize. The list goes on, and essentially it's an incredible program, far better than the Maker World one in my opinion. So the process is basically submit your application, upload your models, they review it, and then they let you know if you've been approved or not. Now the first time around I applied, I got rejected. That's my own fault. I didn't follow the rules. So I'm going to go through the process here with everybody. So there is my not approved. So I'm going to go submit again. So this is what you would see essentially. Now you'll need to put your information in here. So your name, your email, country, tags, your design. So I just used the link for Creality Cloud. You can also link cults or printables or whatever other source that you upload your stuff to. And then you can upload photos of your designs here. Now I'm not going to go through this process properly, because I'm just going to show everyone how it's done, but I will do it down the road. Now once you fill all this information in, make sure you read the partnership agreement. It's a quick read, depends how fast you read I should say, but basically explains everything. So once all this has been filled out, you click next, you start submitting your different designs, you click submit, and then they review you. And it's simple as that. So some of the other benefits are their reward system. So you get prizes if you're a top designer for that week. They give you Kuva coins, bonuses, you name it. There's absolutely no reason to not join this program if you are not a designer. Just the benefits are non-stop, and it's incredible. So that's it for the quick overview of how the designer partnership works. And one more thing I want to just show everyone is the Influencer Club. So once you're a designer, you get to join the Creality Influencer Club, or you can just apply for it on your own. So in my case, I am an influencer because I'm a YouTuber. So I'm going to go ahead and show everyone how this process works. So I'm going to click join now, and I'm just going to enter my information here. Now I am going to censor some of this information because I don't want my private information shown to the world. And I'm just going to grab my social platforms and put them here and then click join. So from here you describe yourself to influence or basically show Creality why you are worth their time and why you want to become a member of their program. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this introduction out, and then I'm going to click join us, and we'll proceed from here. Alright, so I filled out my little blurb here. I'm just going to click join us, and now it's been submitted, so I wait 3 to 5 days. So this is the exact same process that you can follow as well. Now back to the designer space. Like I said, I'm not a member yet, but once I do become a member, I'll do another video and I'll go through all the different options you have. So just to wrap this video up, I'll go over one more designer's profile. So this dragon here caught my eye a while ago, but I don't have the 300 coins here, so I'm not going to be purchasing it for this video. But this is interesting because it's an articulated dragon, but you assemble it yourself. I haven't seen that done before. Now, I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but it might be one of those complex designs where assembling it yourself might be the way to go. And the cool thing is you can make it essentially any length you want. Like, you can make this thing 200 feet if you really wanted to. Just keep printing more and more links as you go. So that's the neat thing about it. Now, I might end up purchasing this. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to think about it and I'll see. But yeah, so he's making $3 basically off each purchase. Let's say 100 people purchase that. It can be very, very enticing. Worth your time, worth your effort to kind of do this as well. Generate some extra income on top of whatever you already do with your 3D printing. Or if it's just a hobby, just generate income to buy more filament. So that's basically it for this designer series video. Now, as you've all noticed, I've been away from YouTube for quite a bit, or maybe no one's noticed. I've been very, very busy, and I promise I will start ramping up again and start making videos frequently very, very soon. So stay on the lookout for future videos coming soon. I'm going to start my resin series back up again. I have a really cool new resin printer coming, and I do want to pick up a Creality resin printer very soon. I don't have the funds at the moment, so we'll see. Time will tell. But if you enjoyed this video, just make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. If you want to leave a tip, that's also greatly appreciated as well. If you have any questions or comments, as usual, leave them below and I'll respond to you. I always respond to every single comment that's left on any video I make. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. MikeBot out.